Hi guys, in this quick video I'll show you how you can create product on your Shopify store. If you don't have any Shopify store, just scroll down to this video and click on the first link to get a 3-day free trial on Shopify and $1 per month for the next 3 months. This is a limited time offer. Get the offer now. And if you want to set up your store with us, just click the next link. If you already have a Shopify store, just log into your Shopify store, click on the product, and here you can add one product or you can import bulk product. We are going to upload a single product. Click here, add a product. Now here on the title, put the product title. So I'm using ChatGPT to create a demo product. You can use ChatGPT to create your product title and descriptions. Now on the description, put the product description. After that, you have to upload some image of your product. Upload new, and from your computer you can upload product images. You can upload multiple images. You can also drag and drop, make this image primary image, so you can upload multiple images here. You can choose the category, and then here you need to put the price of the product. So the regular price is $80 and the compare price at $100. You can check or uncheck this. If you want to charge tax, you can check this. If you don't want to charge tax, just uncheck this. In this area you can track the quantity of your products. So if you have 100 product on your stock, you can put it here and continue uncheck this and this, and you can add weight of your product. You can change the matrix also, kg to gram. From this area you can select the variant. If you have multiple variant of this product, you can choose colors, like different colors, and you can also change the pricing point for the different variants. For adults, you can put it like 120. Lastly, we have the search engine listing. Here you can edit the page titles and the description, so it will look like this when anyone search your product on the Google. On the top, your website name and the URL, then the title and the description and the price. So you can change the URL from here. Also you can change the description, customize the description, and then save the product. So this is a staging website. So the product will be look like this: the image and the text, here the variants, colors, age group, and the material, and then you can buy the product by clicking here. So this is how you can upload a product on your Shopify store. If you need any help to set up your Shopify store, just check our website. Consider subscribe our channel to get more videos on Shopify growth.